Welcome to Hunter's Hideout. So I'll show you what my hideout is, cause tell everyone what it is. And it's a big crack. I worked on that yesterday, cause
Hunter, it was today.
It's a day, but now we're gonna go seal.
Hunter, now talk about the Hot Wheels and what you want to show them.
What
are you gonna show them today?
I'll show you why this.
Hot Wheels? So are you gonna show them how it works?
Yeah, show you how it works. Me that fun how
And
you have
a lot of Hot Wheels cars, do ya, bud?
Yeah, I do.
He's my brother.
Yeah, ma'am. Cause I will.
Your poppets too?
Yeah, I did.
Maybe your poppets? Or not your poppets. So it's gonna go through there. It's gonna get his it's gonna go
go go go go go go go go go go go.
Can we move it forward?
Go, 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 go.
Let's move this forward so I can get it, so I can film it. Oh, and you also have a poppet tube. Okay.
Oh, here it is.
It's gonna go inside there, and it's going to race. Tell us when you're ready. Where is it? Where's the car? Oh, there's the car. Now you wanna watch out. Oh yeah! I couldn't keep track. You wanna do that? Can we do that again?
It make a noise sound. See? Yeah, that goes.
Show them the poppets. What is it called?
It got a poppet tube.
A poppet tube? Can you take a sucker out of your mouth and say it clearly?
Pop tube.
A poppet tube? Can you speak a little louder?
Poppet tube.
Okay. So, I like a poppet tube, but even better. What is this?
A poppet?
Yeah, it's a poppet. What is this? Is it a rainbow poppet?
Yeah, it's a poppet.
What is this called?
Like dinosaur.
A dinosaur poppet.
Dinosaur poppet.
Okay. What are we gonna do? Up. I don't want to hit. Stop it! No. Stop it! Start jump roping. Okay, so then hop over it. That's how my brother jump rope. So he. Oh. Pass. Come in close with it. Okay. What do you want to show them now? Your Nerf guns. Show them your Nerf guns. He has a collection of cars and a collection of Nerf guns. I have the collection of poppets, and I guess I do have a collection of Barbies. I hate them. Okay. Nope. I'm gonna stand over here, and you're just gonna shoot forward. Okay. I'm gonna get a cool motion of it. Shoot like this, and it's gonna be so cool. Oh, is that cool? Okay, where did the bullet go? Is it out in the living room? Oh, it's right there.
But how did I get out of Kegel?
You always have to get out a Tango. And he also has some more Hot Wheels.
I don't have a Hot Wheels, but a Hot Wheels Tango.
Yeah, so you have a lot of Hot Wheels, and you have lots of Hot Wheels containers, and
no, it's only one.
Yeah, only one.
I have thingy.
What's the thingy?
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo?
Yeah.
The yo-yo. Oh, your trucks. What can you do? Can you take them apart?
But how do I find all parts?
You have to find all the parts. Oh, here's the screwdriver. Here's the screwdriver. Screwdriver. Now we have to find the truck and you have to undo everything. Okay, I'm going to film it on you. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to take you off. Oh, can you find... Oh, there's all of your trucks. Let's line them up so they can see every single truck. And here's the bottom of a truck. But there are his 3 trucks. You have another part? Yeah, you're finding other parts of this bottom truck? There. Hunter, after this, let's be done, okay? Then you gotta say, okay, yep. Is this the end?
No, not.
We have to take them apart. Wait, we have to put this one back together. Wait, we have to put this thing on. Hey, there's 2 screwdrivers. Oh, wait, we gotta do the back. Hunter. Wait, Hunter. So you take it out, and then you're gonna put the hole right next to it. So you gotta put the hole right next to it. Then you gotta put the spray. Want me to help you hold it?
Yeah. Ah.
Okay, let me help you. Might be easier if you had 2 hands. What are you gonna say?
Goodbye. We'll see you next time when we get back. We will do it again.
Sometime, but we're gonna do we're gonna do something else on.
Bye bye.
Hit it. Hit the thing. Hit the